Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in today's video we're going to be building a little outdoor kitchen area on our back porch. We've been wanting to build this ever since we got our grill, so we're really excited to finally have this done. The weather's been cooling off lately, so we've been spending more time on the back porch just hanging out and cooking, so this was the perfect time to get this done. Jalen is starting off by building the frame out of 2x4s, and we scrolled through Pinterest for quite a while looking at a lot of inspiration pictures, and then we just kind of came up with our own ideas as well and just kind of went with it and sort of made it up as we went. We did have our measurements and we knew what we were going for. We knew we wanted to have shelves and a fridge on the right side and then just enclose the grill on the other side. He wanted to have some countertop space in front of the grill and also to the left of the grill. This did end up being a several day project, mainly just because there was a lot of trial and error trying to figure things out and we couldn't always work a full day on it. Some days it was just a few hours, but like I said, it turned out amazing. Stay tuned until the very end of the video to see the final reveal. Okay, so the frame is complete and Jalen is getting that ready to install the fridge, and this fridge was gifted to us by New Air. This is their weatherproof stainless steel outdoor fridge and it was just the perfect size for this project. It's got a lot of storage inside. We're going to keep drinks in here and food for the grill. So this receptacle here is our only receptacle on the back porch, so obviously we needed to have easy access to this, so we decided to do open shelving on the far right of our little outdoor kitchen, put some baskets there, and then if we needed to access that receptacle, it would be super easy to just pull out the basket and you would have easy access. So he's just framing that out with some plywood here, and the plywood that he used for here and also on top where the countertops are going to go, we already had all of that on hand, so that was really nice. Now he's going to be installing the countertops, and we wanted the look of butcher block countertops, but we didn't want to pay the butcher block price, and so we got these slabs of wood from Lowe's. They're about 1 inch thick and they are 4 feet long and 2 feet wide, and they were just the perfect size for this project. I'm going to end up staining them and then just topping them with several coats of clear satin polyurethane. Okay, time for a quick lunch break. I just had some enchiladas in the oven here, and I've shared this recipe before in previous videos, so I'll just have it typed up down below. I'm going to chop up some lettuce to put on top, and then we've also got chips, sour cream, and salsa. We ended up deciding to go with Shiplap for the front and the sides of this, and we got the wider Shiplap, which ended up being a little bit cheaper. And we did think about staining this Shiplap because that would have looked really awesome, but we wanted our countertop to have that stained look, so we just ended up painting the Shiplap and the shelves and everything a dark gray, which you'll see later on. Before we get started installing these wooden countertops, I wanted to share with you the sponsor of today's video, which is EcoFlow. EcoFlow is a leading energy company that has developed portable, renewable power stations, and the power station that we have here is their EcoFlow Mini. This is their lightest Delta power station, so it's great for on the go. We'll be taking this camping. Jalen's going up in the mountains with his brothers for a week, so he'll be taking this with them for them to charge all of their electronics and everything. Before they leave, we can fully charge this power station in just 1.6 hours. We do also have their portable 160 watt solar panel here. This solar panel is designed to produce maximum power at any time of the day when paired with an EcoFlow power station. This is amazing to keep on hand for emergencies if we have some type of power outage or something. This Delta Mini's output of 1400 watts handles 90% of electronics. We can power up to 12 devices, and the Delta Mini charges 3 to 4 times faster than other portable power stations. Jalen has the EcoFlow app downloaded on his phone where he can see all of the details of our EcoFlow Mini. And they do also offer other portable power stations. They have the Delta Max, the Delta Pro, the River Max, the River Pro, just to name a few. I'll have the link for their website down below in the description box if you want to go and check them out. The last of the countertop is getting installed here, and he was able to install the right piece of countertop and the left piece using his nailer and some small brad nails, and he just nailed those up underneath the countertop, got those nice and secure, and then for that front piece in front of the grill, he did have to wood glue that. The last of the shiplap boards are getting installed here, and then he just has to do the little trim around the corners, and then I'll get started with all of the painting. I'm not sure what day we are on here. I think this is day 3 of working on this project. Like I said, this was a several day project. Definitely took a lot more work than we thought it was going to. We knew it was going to be a big job, but we didn't think it would stretch out over so many days just because, like I said, we only were able to work on it for a few hours some of the days, but it was worth all of the work. We just love how it turned out, and we're going to be using this so much out here on the back porch. for these little trim pieces, he just cut 1-inch strips of wood from wood that he already had out in his shop, and then just nailed that to all of the corners here. Before I paint all of this and stained, Jalen took wood putty and filled in all of the nail holes on the shiplap, and then he sanded all of that. He also sanded these countertops, got them nice and smooth, and then I'm going to put on a pre-stain wood conditioner on these countertops. You let that dry, it usually takes about 10 minutes, and then I'll go in with the stain, and I only did 1 coat of stain and then 2 coats of polyurethane. So once the stain dried, I did my first coat of polyurethane, and then that takes a little while to dry, and then I did my second coat. We don't plan on cutting anything on this countertop or anything like that. We can bring a cutting board out here if we're going to do that. All the food is going to be on plates and trays, and what's great about this different levels of countertop is that we have this big upper level up here, which most of the time we'll be using to put food on if we have people over, or if we're just having supper on the back porch, we can set all the food up here buffet style, and then you can have the drinks in the fridge, and it's just going to be really nice to have all of this out here. We were really needing something like this on the back porch, and now the next project that we need to do is to add a nice big table and chairs and a rug out here in front of this outdoor kitchen. While my first coat of polyurethane was drying, I went ahead and got started with the painting. We did do 2 coats of this paint on here, and this color is color matched to our metal fascia. It's an outdoor paint. We've used it on exterior doors and our shop, so we had quite a bit of this left over, and I just ended up deciding to use it for this project. And I originally thought that I was going to paint all of this black. We just couldn't pick a color for this, and we thought black might just be a little bit too much because the grill is black. So we just decided to go with our fascia color. It will match the house, and it's just a nice dark gray. 2 matching baskets on hand that were the perfect size for these shelves, so that worked out awesome. Those look really good in there. I like the little leather tags that they have on them, and I did get those from Target, but I got them probably back in the spring or the winter time, so I don't know if they sell them anymore. And after I had those in there, then I just wiped down the inside of the fridge, got some water bottles put in there, and then just added the finishing touches to the space. Okay, now I will show the final reveal of this space, and just as a little disclaimer, we did leave a wide gap in the back for airflow where this grill needs airflow, and Jalen is also going to cut a little door over on that left-hand side so that he can easily access the little grease bucket to clean that out. We hope that you enjoyed today's video and getting to see the whole process of us building this little outdoor kitchen. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. And a big thank you again to EcoFlow for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I'll have the link down below if you want to go and check out their power stations. And a big thank you to each and every one of you for watching this video and supporting our channel. We appreciate each of you so much, and we will see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye!